Sometimes
I try
to
fit
in
my
community.
so
I
always use
my
pitaklan.
Ariel, grabe yung reaction, ha? Ano ba ibig sabihin yan? Ano ang unang salita na natutunan natin in school na hindi apple? Nagamit namin yung apple kanina. Iba naman. Yes. Wow, first word.
Pneumonomicroscopic
Silicamonensis.
P
N
E
U
M
O
M
I
M
C
A
R
O
G
Cilia maligmentasis.
Microscopic The
cell
Is
very
red
when
it
is
infected
by
pneumonosilveralis celiacis.
monomicroscopic
silicamonensis.
Alright. Nako, now for our next word, I would like you to answer truthfully.
Yun totoo
Truthfully. What is a word that we found a little difficult when we were 10 years old? Onomatopoeia.
Onomatopoeia.
O
N
O
M A
T
O
P
O E
E.
Ako
I
gumagawa
ng maraming
projects.
kung
Kaya
may roon
itong
tunog
na
sound like
ito
ay
isang onomatopoeia.
Very nice. Can you give me an experience that you had in high school? Any experience? Sorry? Limerence?
L
M E R
E
N
A C E brightness of
the mind is
equals
to
the limerence.
Limerence.
Andito ako ngayon kasi nandito tayo sa Angeles, Pampanga. So i-assume ko meron po tayo mga Kapampangan na nanonood. Pwede pong pumalakpak yung mga Kapampangan dito sa balcony. Ay! Ang daming Kapampangan. Pwede niyo po ba kaming mga Tagalog speakers bigyan ng isang Kapampangan word na malamang hindi namin alam?
Pitaklan.
Wow.
Pitaklan. Napapalakpak ang sambayanan.
Pitaklan.
P
I T
A
K
L A N
pitak. Sometimes
I try
to
fit
in
my
community.
so
I
always use
my
pitaklan.
Ariel, grabe yung reaction, ha? Ano ba ibig sabihin yan?
Ano po yung pitaklan? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God, it means asshole.
Butthole.
I use my pitaklan
to fit
To
into
fit
the
in the
To
community.
fit into the community.
What community is this?
A very inclusive community.
Pit Manila.